Hi, it's Joy with Enjoy It Healthy, and I wanted to show you an almost guilt-free sweet treat. Who doesn't love donuts? I would love donuts. I mean, I do love donuts, but I don't eat them because they're incredibly unhealthy, and I don't feel well when I eat them. So anyway, I mean, that's like, you know, from the store or whatever. So here's a very clean donut recipe, and you can still indulge in this sweet treat for breakfast or, you know, dessert or whatever. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and if you hit the bell and select all, you'll get notifications whenever I post new videos. So here we have 1 cup of my ancient grain flour. We're going to start off with that, and to that we're going to add a couple of dry ingredients first. A 1/4 cup of cocoa powder and a teaspoon of baking powder and a couple of pinches of salt. We're gonna just give that a quick whisk first. Now we're gonna add some wet ingredients. We have 2 tablespoons of olive oil. It's extra virgin olive oil. And then we have a cup of oat milk. This is my homemade oat milk, which I'll include that recipe down below. And then also a 1/2 cup of maple syrup. That'll be your sweetener. And then just whisk it together till it becomes a very loose dough. It's easy. You don't even need equipment, just a whisk. Okay, now we're going to put this batter into a piping bag. If you don't have a piping bag, just use a Ziploc bag, that's fine. I like to use a some kind of vessel. I use this pitcher. The key to it is really to not get any of the batter on, or frosting or whatever you're going to put in here. Not to get it on the edge here. That will make it a lot cleaner and easier, a lot less mess. Okay, let's get this in here. So we have our donut pan. I'm just gonna take a nonstick spray. This is an avocado oil spray, but we're just gonna give that a little spray in each of the cavities. And then we have our bag, whether you're using a Ziploc or a piping bag. We're gonna snip the edge, the tip. Give it a nice twist, and then we're just gonna divide this by 6. It's a little over half full, maybe like 2/3 full. And into your 350-degree preheated oven for about 10 minutes. Every oven is different, so just watch it, and when your toothpick comes out clean, you're good to go. Let them sit in here for just, you know, 2-3 minutes before we transfer them to a wire rack. Let's get these little guys on our wire rack. And we're gonna let these cool for a bit, and we're going to make our chocolate glaze. That is the naughty part of this recipe, and I think it's okay to indulge once in a while. It is a sweet treat, and we're going to use real dark chocolate. So we're going to go to the stove for that. And there are a couple different ways you can make a chocolate glaze. So I will put 3 ways down in the description, but I'm going to just melt dark chocolate wafers over bain-marie, and just going to melt the chocolate. Okay, so if that chocolate, double boiling chocolate thing is too much for you, it's pretty simple, but if it's too much for you to deal with, you can always get these Ghiradelli Dark Chocolate Melting wafers. You can do them in the microwave, and they are so convenient and really easy. A little bit naughty, but okay, so then we're gonna take a piece of wax paper and just to catch our mess. And I've got some sprinkles here. These are all natural sprinkles. They're by India Tree. I got them on Amazon. We're not gonna use that many sprinkles if you just have regular sprinkles, or if you wanna use like chopped nuts or coconut flakes or whatever you wanna do, do what you wanna do. Okay, so I'm just gonna take each donut, I'm just gonna dip it in here. And put it back on the rack, do all of these. And if you don't want it completely dipped in chocolate, I don't know why you wouldn't, but if you want less chocolate, just drizzle it on over with a spoon or whatever you like. Or you don't even have to do the chocolate. You can just dust it with a little cocoa powder or powdered sugar if you want to reduce the sugar even more. Again, there's no sugar in the donut itself, so they're not too naughty. And then we're just going to, with our clean hand, just sprinkle a few of these on there and let them set. So that's it. We made some almost guilt-free donuts. The only challenge you'll have is not eating all of them, but it's only a batch of 6, so have one and share 5. Thanks for watching.